The beauty of Mother Nature is uncomparable, and I'm sure you all will agree to it. I mean, it is such a delight to be amongst nature, to see all the natural phenomena happening, be it sunrise, be it sunset, be it in the, going to the mountains, going in the snow, going on the beach side. It is so amazing, isn't it? Well, if it is such a pleasant experience, don't you think there definitely should be some amazing words which you can use to describe the beauty of Mother Nature? Well, yes, there should be. So in this video precisely, we're going to discuss about different words or different ways in which you can describe the beauty of Mother Nature. Well, you all are once again most welcome to Tutorials Point. Let's go ahead and learn about this. Blooming. So first of all, a very amazing word which you can use to describe the beauty is blooming. Well, blooming, as we all know, is something that flowers, something that just comes to life, something that just is so ready to grow up and to spread its beauty all around. That is what is meant by blooming. So if you happen to see a beautiful garden of flowers, of fresh flowers, which are so bright and they are just spreading their fragrance all around, well, you could call them blooming. The blooming meadow was flush with orange, pink and purple wildflowers. Wow, what a relaxing feeling. I mean, just imagining this gives me so much delight, and I'm sure it does to you as well. So, well, next time you happen to visit such a place, just call it blooming. Breathtaking, my God, something which is so beautiful that you just awestruck and your breath stops for fraction of a second, right? Something with a beauty which could actually capture your breath or stop your breath for a few seconds. That is what is referred to as breathtaking. Isn't this view just breathtaking? Wouldn't you love to go on a vacation to such a view, to see such a view? And wouldn't it be breathtaking? Wouldn't that actually be a breathtaking moment for you? Yes, it would be. The view of the valley from the top of the mountain was breathtaking. Wow, what a feeling. What a delight to even imagine. So such a view which actually manages to stop your breath for a few seconds is called as breathtaking. Bucolic. Now, what is bucolic? Bucolic is yet another word. It actually refers to something which has a, farmland sort of a view, a rustic view. That is what is referred to as bucolic. So, describing farmland or rural settings. So, don't we just, for some peace of mind, don't you just want to rush away from all those tall buildings, from those populated roads and metros and cars and vehicles, and in that hush and bush, and just go somewhere wherein you get a bucolic view, wherein it's just so rural and you can just sit and breathe life. Well, wouldn't you love to? Well, if you would and you go to such a place, that would be called as bucolic. A herd of sheep slowly grazes over the bucolic landscape. So a completely farmland or a rural sort of a landscape is called as a bucolic landscape. Captivating. So something that just captivates you or just enchants you or just manages to completely take over your mind and thought and your heart is referred to as captivating. So something that is fascinatingly beautiful is captivating. Angela watched the captivating clouds slide over the bright blue sky. Wow, what a view it would have been. I mean, it is so refreshing to just imagine. So such a view which manages to captivate your thought, it just manages to rule your heart and mind is referred to as captivating. Dazzling. Well, what is dazzling? Splendidly lovely. So wow, what it is, so beautiful, so full of colors. It is splendid. So that is what is referred to as dazzling. It's just wow, it just shines. It is so splendid. So such a view, if you just happen to see such a view which is so I mean, shiny, so delightful, so splendid is actually referred to as dazzling. When the sun sets over the lake, its orange light hits the mountains in a dazzling way. Wow, wouldn't it? Isn't the setting sun, when the sun sets, isn't the sky dazzling with different colors, with all the, the mixture of colors, the melange of colors? Isn't the sky, doesn't the sky just dazzle? Such a view is actually called as dazzling, and it is just so peaceful to watch such a view. Enchanting, so again, something that just completely is so delightful, is completely so encapturing, so captivating, and such a delight to watch is called as enchanting. That something that completely takes over your heart and mind. Watching the baby duckling follow their mother to the river was enchanting. I mean, when you happen to see nature in its sort of most in its purest form, isn't it so enchanting? Doesn't that just bring you back to life? Isn't it so refreshing and so superbly delighting? That is what is referred to as enchanting. So, well, yet another amazing word to describe the beauty of Mother Nature. Ethereal. Wow, ethereal. What is the... This is actually such a royal and amazing word which you could use. Outworldly, so something that is like, something that belongs to the other world. It's otherworldly and light. I mean, something which you feel doesn't belong to this world. It is so different, it is so delightful, it is so rare to see such a thing, or such a view is referred to as ethereal, right? So the early morning fog gives the lake an ethereal view. So I mean, wouldn't we be so delighted to see something which is out of the world? You've never seen it before, and it's so different and new for you. That is referred to as ethereal. Flourishing. What is flourishing? Well, growing well and healthy. Something which is full of life, which is lively, which is just grows so well and is so full of vitality, is actually referred to as flourishing. The rainforest is a flourishing habitat full of many types of plants, animals, insects and fungi. So something which is full of life, which is full of growth, and which just is so lively to see is referred to as flourishing. Glorious, magnificent and worthy of praise. Wow, what a glory would it be to see such a view, don't you think so? I mean, just looking at this view, it just makes you feel as if you're amidst the Mother Nature and you're looking at this rainbow in the sky, and it is giving you so much delight and happiness. The glorious rainbow seemed to stretch across the entire sky. What a delight would it be to see a rainbow in the sky, and that also in such a beautiful sort of an environment. Wow, lovely. Well, last but not the least, another yet amazing word which you can use to describe the beauty of Mother Nature is rejuvenating. Well, what is rejuvenating? So something which can actually sort of get you back to life, which can completely enrich you, which can completely recharge you, is what is referred to as rejuvenating. So something that is so restorative is also rejuvenating. Something, if you were going through a tough time, or if you were busy with your hectic job and everything, and you just wanted to feel back to life and rejuvenate yourself, well, you might want to go to somewhere wherein you are so closely in touch with nature and rejuvenate yourself, and you will feel so back to life. Okay, Marie spent a rejuvenating day on the warm sand with ocean lapping her toes. Wouldn't that be so rejuvenating to just be in the lap of Mother Nature? It actually is going to completely recharge and refresh you, and completely fill you with enthusiasm to take forward any challenge. So yes, that is the power of Mother Nature, and I'm sure all these words definitely will help you a lot to, definitely you will get a chance to use them in your daily life. And well, if you are in such a situation, do use them, and they will definitely help you to improve your language. Well, I will see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with tutorials point and tutorics. Have a good day.